Today I will explain some problems on arithmetic progression. Okay, problem number 1. In an AP, Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Then we have to find out A20, that is 20th term. Okay. Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Find out A20, that is 20th term. Okay. Now, we know that An is equal to, that is nth term is equal to sum of nth terms minus sum of n minus 1th term. We have to use this formula. That is Sn minus 1 is equal to An. That is equal to Sn is this 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 minus Sn minus 1 is 5 into n minus 1 whole square by 2, n minus 1 whole square by 2, just put n minus 1 instead of n, plus 3 into n minus 1 by 2. Okay. This is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 minus 5 into n square minus twice n plus 1 by 2 plus 3n minus 3 by 2. This is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 minus 5 by 2 into n square minus twice n plus 1, minus into plus means minus 3n minus 3 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 2. I will take 5 by 2 from these two terms. That is 5 by 2 into n square minus n square, minus into minus plus twice n, plus twice n minus 1. N square minus n square plus twice n minus 1. Okay, 5 by 2 is outside of the bracket, plus 3n minus 3n plus 3 by 2. This is equal to n square will cancel each other, 2n minus 1 by 2 into 5. 5 into twice n minus 1 by 2 plus, this will cancel each other, 3 by 2. This is equal to 5 into 2n by 2 means 5n minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 5n minus 5 minus 3 by 2, that is equal to 5n minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Okay. Then we have to find out A20. So An is equal to 5n minus 1. Then A20, therefore A20 is equal to 5 into 20 minus 1, that is equal to 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. A20 is 99. Okay, 5 into 20, just we have to put the value of n here. Then 5 into 20 minus 1, that is 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Okay. The second sum is, in an AP, the pth term is q and qth term is p, so that p plus qth term is 0. Okay. Let first term be a and common difference be small d. Okay. Now pth term is q means AP is equal to q. Okay. AP is equal to q. This implies a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q. This is number 1 equation. And qth term is p. That is a q is equal to p. This implies a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now if we subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2, we will get equation 2 minus equation 1 implies this minus this, that will cancel each other. Then q minus 1 minus p minus 1 into d is equal to p minus q. This implies q minus 1 minus p plus 1 into d is equal to p minus q. Okay. This implies q minus p into d is equal to p minus q. This implies d is equal to p minus q by q minus p. P minus q by q minus p, that is equal to minus 1. Then d is equal to minus 1. Okay. D is equal to minus 1. Now we have to show that p plus qth term is 0. Now what is p plus qth term? A plus p plus q minus 1 into d. This is p plus qth term. That is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d, p minus 1 into d plus q into d. Okay. A plus p minus 1 into d plus q into d. This is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d is q from equation 1. That is equal to q plus q into d. Okay. By using equation 1. Okay. This is equal to q plus q into value of d is minus 1. This is minus 1. That is equal to q minus q is equal to 0. Then p plus qth term is 0. Okay. The third sum is, find the sum of the following terms: 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 1 minus 3 by n plus up to n terms. Okay. Now 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 1 minus 3 by n plus up to n terms is equal to, we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms, means n times 1, that is 1 into n minus 1 by n. Within bracket it will be 1 by n plus 2 by n plus 3 by n plus dot up to n terms. Okay. That is equal to n minus, we will have to take away 1 by n. Now 1 by n within bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus up to n terms means n. Okay, in n minus 1 by n into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n. Okay, this is sum of natural numbers up to sum of n terms natural numbers. Okay, that is equal to n minus 1 by n into, the formula of this will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is equal to n minus n plus 1 by 2. This n will cancel each other. That is equal to twice n minus 1 by 2 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. Then sum of these terms will be n minus 1 by 2. Okay.